Lesson 4. Habit. Exercise regularly. Gym attendance or any other kind of fitness activity done on a regular basis is a useful indicator of how disciplined you are. A meta-analysis conducted by scientists at the University of Victoria in British Columbia and the University of Amsterdam shows that among people making fitness-related New Year's resolutions, 46% of them quit by June. Gym membership statistics by the International Health, Racquet and Sports Club Association show even worse numbers. 67% of people with gym memberships never use them. It turns out that gyms make more money on people who don't use them than the ones who do. Can you guess how disciplined the non-attenders are? To build long-term self-discipline, starting today, establish a fitness routine and stick to it religiously. Since this is not a fitness course, I won't give you an exact plan to follow. Just like there's no perfect plan when dieting, there's also no perfect plan for exercise. The only requirement is to introduce some kind of a tracking system and commit to it. For instance, let's say you'll exercise on average an hour a day and do it no matter what. Neither weather, laziness, nor your friends coming over for a weekend will deter you from exercising. Anaerobic exercise is characterized by short duration, up to 2 minutes, and high-intensity activities that lead to increased strength, speed, power, and muscle mass. I'm partial to weightlifting and other anaerobic types of exercise that can build muscle and help you build strength and a good-looking, healthy body. This applies to both men and women. And dear ladies, don't be afraid you'll get bulky. You won't. Good choices here include weightlifting, as it's arguably the best choice to build a strong body with healthy proportions when you focus on compound movements. Sprinting, and particularly hill sprints, which are safer for joints, more effective for fat loss, and more demanding than sprints on flat terrain. Swimming, when done in short, high-intensity bursts of activity instead of an hour-long marathon. Yoga, which can be a healthy way for both genders to build a well-rounded, lean body. Maintaining uncomfortable poses is, in itself, a great discipline-building exercise. Calisthenics, or body weight exercises, can be a perfect replacement for weightlifting if you constantly progress to more difficult exercises. All of these sports support building a balanced, muscular, and healthy body. Getting these results is crucial in developing your discipline, as progress will fuel your efforts to keep going. In addition to anaerobic activity, perform some aerobic activities as well. Do them not only for the health benefits, which are still obviously important, but also for the enjoyment and the stress-reducing effect they provide. It's all connected with self-discipline. A relaxed individual has a much easier time resisting temptations and sticking to their plan than an overstressed person. Here are a few ideas for fun aerobic exercises that also provide incredible health benefits. Cycling. Long rides can be demanding, not only physically, but also mentally, which makes it a perfect sport for building self-discipline. Walking or jogging. Simple, easy, cheap, and the runner's high feels good. Tennis. Arguably one of the most difficult sports, it requires a lot of patience and countless hours of practice. Inline skating. A fun exercise that almost doesn't feel like exercise. Swimming. Do it for distance, not speed. It's one of the best types of activities for obese individuals because swimming is lighter on your joints than, say, jogging. Martial arts. A huge aspect of martial arts is the mental development, which makes it a perfect, holistic exercise.